If you're looking for a card reader that has incredible camera quality, card reader access, and remote app control all in one place, stick around because this card reader might just be the one for you. What's up, installers? This is Zach with Nelly Security, and today we're talking about Akuvox's R25A. Let's go. So let's start with the unboxing. In the box, here's what you can find. The R25A unit itself, of course, an on-wall mounting bracket, materials for installation, and an install guide. So right off the bat, when you pick this up, it feels well made. It feels heavy. It's solidly made, and it's IK10 vandal resistant. Additionally, it's also IP65 weather resistant. This specifically can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. And it makes sense, this thing is built to be outdoors. On the front, at the top, you've got your 4 megapixel camera that's displaying a 2K resolution with a 150 degree wide angle view. This also has the option to enable WDR or wide dynamic range for any scenes that have really dark shadows and really bright light spots. So below the camera and to the side, there is a mic, and that is for two-way audio in conjunction with this speaker at the very bottom of the reader. Finally, in the middle is the card reader for 13.56 megahertz cards or 125 kilohertz and NFC cards. For anyone walking up to this reader, you simply have to press this call button and it will begin calling either a phone that's connected or a connected panel inside. The button is incredibly sleek and it is actually LED backlit, so it's even easy to see at night. On the back, there is one Wiegand and RS485 port and 2 inputs. Additionally, this device supports PoE or power over Ethernet. So it's one cable for both power and network, which can cut back on the cables you need, making installation a lot cleaner. Installation is fairly straightforward, especially if you have experience in this area already. Once you know where you're putting the router on the wall and you've cut out a hole, you can install the bracket first and then run that Ethernet cable through, connect it up to the device, and then mount the device to that bracket. From there, you can configure either through the local web interface or Akuvox's app, Smart Plus. Either of these spots is where you can add users, manage passwords and pins, and structure any schedules. Now, we have plenty of readers, even other readers from Akuvox. So what's the draw for this versus the others, and is this the right one for you? The R25A, to me, is one of the most versatile options when it comes to all the different kinds of systems you can integrate this with. Obviously, it doesn't have all of the authentication methods like a PIN or facial ID or anything like that, but this device is perfect for those that don't want to break the bank, still want some good features, and want a device that looks clean and elegant. This device doesn't look so fancy that it would be out of place in an office, but it also wouldn't stand out in a high-end luxury apartment. With support for up to 1,000 users and 20,000 cards, this further proves my point that this is a great option for any kind of setup. It's got the resilient and capable hardware, the super easy to navigate software, and the flexibility of a couple of different authentication methods. So that's it for the R25A. If you have any other questions, let us know down in the comments below. We'd love to hear more from you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.